I want to start out and welcome our new sixth graders to the middle school. It's now the elementary. It's a big step forward. I look forward to meeting all of them. In fact, parents and students, I get to see you twice a day, and sometimes three times a day, because I teach social studies and science sixth grade. Okay, I have had a lot of experience teaching, 34 years of experience. In fact, I've actually retired once and come back into teaching because I missed it so much. And I am very pleased to come back to North White. All right. This year is a lot different. We're doing this open house as a virtual open house. There's good news and bad news on that. We get the information out. That's great. So let's just put it that way. Let's just keep it as good news here. Let's keep it a positive experience, and make sure that I'm really, really, really looking forward to meeting the students, and also meeting the parents if I can sometime. The best way to contact me is by email. I'm usually in the classroom about an hour and a half before school starts at 8 o'clock. So you're talking about 6:30 to 7 o'clock. If you have any questions at all, you just email me, because the first thing I do is come in, turn the computer on, get and answer my emails. So if you have any questions on any of this, especially this year, please send an email so that we can answer this, and hopefully I can clarify things with you on anything, any questions. Okay. So as I said, I'm teaching both science and social studies. Science, sixth grade science, is kind of an introduction to middle school science. It's life sciences. It's also physical sciences. Some basic stuff that seventh grade then will take in more detail. Social studies, that's my area. That's my main area. I've been teaching for many years. This one's world history, and that's my main area of history, is world history. And it's going to be European and Latin American history and culture. I also make sure I put culture in there as well, not just history. Understanding the cultures of people. I look forward, like I said, I look forward to seeing you guys this year. Having this virtual open house means that things are different. And how are they different? Well, the big thing is that we have to follow quite a few safety protocols. One of the safety protocols is wearing a mask. You have to wear a mask. We have to wear a mask in the halls, buses. I'm going to require it to be worn in the class as well. Even when you're sitting in the desk, we're supposed to keep 3 to 6 feet apart. And I am going to be wearing a mask at all times. Doesn't matter. All right. Only time I would take my mask off if there's no kids in the classroom and I'm sitting behind my desk and we're like 60 feet apart. Then I'll not wear a mask. I'm not a young guy anymore. We will make sure there will be no group work. To put your mind at ease as well, since we have to disinfect everything that we touch, there won't be anything to really touch other than their Chromebooks. Kids will not be able to touch other kids' Chromebooks. They will not touch any of the other kids' things, any materials. Well, what I'm going to try to do, and to help the kids and help you parents, is we're not going to have anything done on paper. All right, unless I'm required to do it. Everything is going to be done on Chromebook. All homework is done on Chromebook, and I say mostly classwork, not homework, will be done on Chromebook. We won't use pen and pencil because we'd have to disinfect those. All right, we're going to be disinfecting the classroom anyway, like on desks. The last 5 minutes of class, I'll be spraying all the desks. The kids will take paper towel and wipe them down before the next student to come in and sit there. And then every period we'll be doing that. Okay? Try to make it a very safe and secure a place to learn. All right? Anything else? That's pretty much it. Yeah, like I said, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me by email. You can do that now. I can start looking at stuff now as you get this video. So I know we're going to have a great year, and we need to have it as a very safe and secure year. Okay? Thank you.